Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to protect Polestar to center display access by setting a pin code. On the center display, tap P2 and then the main Polestar 2 tile. Tap screen lock, then pin and enter your pin code, which must contain a minimum of 4 digits. Enter it again, then tap confirm. Your center display is now protected by pin code access, so you'll have to enter your pin to unlock it every time you get into your car. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.